We need to get this spark plug changed, but this socket won't fit. Son, fetch me the thin wall socket.
But Dad, it's 1952. Thin wall sockets haven't even been invented yet.
Hush up, son. They surely have. Now fetch me the Herbrand.
Herbrand? But isn't that a woman's brand?
Now, son, you know darn well that even though it was made for a woman, it's strong enough for a man.
Well, okay.
Alright guys, this is episode 2 of Socket Obscura. Today we're looking at this Herbrand 57/64 inch thin wall spark plug socket. This dates back to the 1930s. It was designed for a specific Buick engine and was advertised as being extra thin. So this is probably the first thin wall spark plug socket. Eventually, Buick switched over to a 7/8 inch size spark plug, and the 57/64 socket became pretty much obsolete. It's a regular half-inch drive socket, so it will fit on any half-inch ratchet. The two holes in it are for what's called a Tommy bar. So if you didn't have a ratchet, you could just stick this bar through those holes and then use it as a handle. And you could slide the bar back and forth to get extra leverage. This one is in pretty decent shape. It just has years of dried up grease kind of stuck to it. I'm going to try cleaning it in the ultrasonic cleaner. I've had this cleaner for over 10 years, but have never actually used it. So we'll see how it does. In the meantime, let's dig into some of the lore behind the Herbrand Company. The Herbrand Company was founded in 1881 in Fremont, Ohio. A lot of people don't know this, but Herbrand was a pretty progressive company, advertising their products directly to female mechanics, with slogans like, "Made for a woman, but strong enough for a man," and "If it's good enough for her, it's good enough for him." Their main competitor at this time was His Brand Tools. His brand exclusively targeted men using hyper-masculine, borderline homoerotic advertisements. Oh look, the ultrasonic cleaner is done. Yeah, it definitely looks better, but there's still quite a bit of grease stuck in there, especially on the inside and in all the knurling and lettering. So then I took a toothbrush and kind of tried scrubbing it out a little bit to kind of loosen up the dirt. And then I threw it back in the tank for another cycle. Yeah, now we're getting there. Here I'm using a bronze brush. You're getting a little bit more aggressive trying to get that dirt out of the knurling. And then I put it back in the cleaner again for a third cycle. Now that looks much better. Here's a before and after comparison shot. Yeah, I think it's a cool socket. It's a neat piece of automotive history. It goes to show that even back in the 1930s, engineers were designing stuff with no regard for future repairs, making you go out and buy a special obscure tool. Now if you want one of these, you can find them. They turn up on eBay from time to time. Just search for Herbrand DS28B socket. I think I paid under 20 bucks for mine. So I hope you liked the video. I've been trying to interject some more humor into my videos. If you're not having fun while working in the shop, then you're probably doing something wrong. So let me know if you like this type of stuff. I'm sure there'll be more videos like it in the future. Thanks again for watching. See you later. Bye.